All right, guys, backlinks are still king when it comes to SEO. So today I'm going to show you how to use Claude to get more backlinks like this business is getting. They got almost 2,000 backlinks, not to mention their traffic. So I'm going to show you the first way is going to be using Claude, more of a manual way to do it. The second way is going to be a 100% hands-off, fully automated way to get backlinks. This one is next level. Both ways are super helpful, but this is going to be awesome. You're going to love it. Let's dive in. So the first way is going to be using a prompt to find high intent, high search intent prompts and citation terms to basically start with to research to get backlinks. So we're going to use this prompt. If you type prompt below, I'll give you this prompt. But basically what we're doing is we're analyzing the company that you give it, and we're finding those search intent, those 15 high buying intent prompts. And these are the queries that we want to start with to see who is showing up so we can get our backlinks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to include a random company here. So this is like a chiropractor. So basically what I'm going to do is just include this in the prompt because it's going to ask for your brand. So we're just going to give it the brand. It's going to ask for more context than that, but I'm not going to give it any more context because I want this to be faster. So, all right, so we're going to do this. We're going to change this to Sonnet because we don't need deep thinking, and we'll save some of our tokens. So that's another pro tip. If you kind of go down, Sonnet's still very good, very fast, but it doesn't use as many tokens. So we're going to hit enter, and then it's going to find us our high search intent, high buying intent prompts that we want to show up and get ranked for in terms of backlinks. So not only do we hopefully our business shows up for these, but the other businesses that show up for these, we want to target for backlink opportunities, which is really good. So here we go. You can see this works really, really fast. And then it will include the different prompts, the buyer stage, and the intent angle, and then why it converts. So best chiropractor in Denver, Denver for herniated disc without surgery. I was in a car accident in Denver last week and my neck still hurts. Where should I go? I mean, that's a good one. So all of these are good from a backlink opportunity. So what we want to do is copy these prompts, or one of them or all of them, doesn't really matter. You can go one by one. And basically we want to just search and see what comes up. So we have a couple of different options here. So the first option is we can do the search in Claude or ChatGPT or wherever. The other option is to do the search in Google and kind of see what comes up for these prompts. I think in some ways Google's a little bit better, but what we want to do, and you see how this is showing up on AI overviews now, but we can kind of scroll down. We want to basically look at the citations. Who is being cited here? So all of these are possible backlink opportunities. So we can kind of go through here and see, would any of these be good backlink opportunities? So we want to make sure, A, are they good? Are they good websites? Are they trusted websites? Do they accept ghostwriting? Do they accept article submissions? Because some of these are going to be businesses, but some of these are going to be more of like index sites or more like article sites. So we can kind of go through and look and see which of these will be good opportunities to possibly get backlinks. So this is whiplash symptoms. So what is this? This is a health, aim high health. So this may be a good one, resources. So what we want to look for here is possible opportunities to submit articles or get featured as a backlink. So I'm not seeing any here because this is more of a health website, but this is the goal, right? So we want to go through and see, are there any possible backlink opportunities here, and then reach out to them for either article submissions to get feed. Depending on how high their DR is, you may have to pay, or you may not have to pay, and they may just take your submission. So it really depends. So I would go through all of these prompts just to kind of see, and depending on your business, it may be harder. Like sometimes local businesses are a little bit harder, especially with these type of prompts, because these people are really close to a buying decision. So it really kind of depends what you're going to find, but you can do search for these prompts in ChatGPT, Claude, Google, and then we're going to look for opportunities to reach out to get the backlink. So this is a little bit more of a manual process, but at least you have the information to go by, the information to give you a starting point on where to target, because the more you can get not only your own business showing up in these Google search results, that's goal number one, is to show up here, which I'm going to show you a hack to do that as well. Goal number two is to show up as a backlink for one of these businesses that are showing up here, right? So the other thing that you can do, and we're going to kind of transition to, okay, this is the manual part, where now we're going to transition to the fully automated part. But before I go there, the other thing that you want to do, which is really kind of gold with this, is you want to show up your business for these prompts in AI overviews. So the way that you do that is you make sure that these prompts, they have a dedicated SEO article, B, they are showing these terms and these prompts are showing up on your service pages, on your money pages. So two, you want to hit it both ways. So the automated way to be able to do that is, and how I do that for myself and my businesses, is to use the tool Arvo, which I talk about a lot, but it's a great SEO tool. A lot of people are still sleeping on it, which I don't understand why. But what you can do is use their AI auto blog writer, and you can have it write articles. So basically I would take that prompt, I would put that prompt here, and then I would do, chiropractor or sore neck or whatever as the keyword, and then I would create an article on it. So this allows you to be able to create SEO articles, but also include your brand assets. So you can go in here and you can set the formatting, you can set the structure, you can add a call to action for your business, you can internally link your sitemap, you can add your own knowledge base to your website. So it's using AI to create this information, but it's also using your brand assets. So it's going to interweave the two and create very specific high quality SEO articles for your brand, but also targeting these prompts. So you can show up, because if people are searching like that and you have an entire article written on it, and then you have all your brand interwoven in with call to actions, you've got a high probability of showing up and getting that traffic. So this is an idea. This kind of shows you what it does from a standpoint of SEO. It has the meta descriptions, H2s, H3s, alt text. These are written specifically for AI citations and AI overviews to get cited. So they're really, really good. You're not going to have to do all the internal workings of this. So that's what I would do with this Claude prompt as well. Write articles on all of those prompts, and then make sure your service pages and your money pages feature those as well. Now, the fully automated way to get backlinks, again, using Arvo, and this is one of the things that they just added, which is really awesome, is going to be the backlink exchange. So this is a fantastic way to get backlinks for your website, because it is fully automated. All you have to do is go in here and put your name, your website URL, you can add your sitemap if you want, and then submit. And basically Arvo will go out and get backlinks for your business automatically, hands off. All you have to do. So basically how this works is the other businesses that are using the exchange, they're submitting their information, you're submitting your information, and then when articles are created, the external links are being, where it applies to your business, are being featured in the articles, so you're automatically getting a backlink. And these are only high DR back. I think they only do DR of 40 and above. Don't quote me on that, but they're high DR. They're not trash backlinks, right? They're only using high DR websites for their backlinks. So this is the exchange. So that's all you have to do is go in and then submit your information, and then watch your backlinks, the list grow. Here's like an example of one of my businesses that was submitted for the backlink exchange just a few days ago, and you can kind of see it got one May 1st, 3rd, 4th, 5th, couple, 6th. So every day I'm getting more and more backlinks automatically without having to do anything. So this backlink exchange is really, really awesome. I think this is definitely a game changer. So you can kind of pair this with the manual way as well to increase your backlinks and get them a lot faster. But backlinks are still king, especially when it comes to showing that you're a trusted source, showing the AI overviews and the AI citations, that it can link back to you, that it could showcase you as a trusted business, and then help you get a higher DR over time. So hopefully that helped you guys out. There's two really amazing ways to get a lot more backlinks, and pretty fast, right? It doesn't take a lot of time to be able to do that. So if you want the prompt to be able to get those other prompts, make sure you just type prompt below and I'll give you that. There's a bunch of other prompts in there. It's a web page that has all like really amazing Claude prompts to use, primarily for SEO. So check it out. And then of course Arvo is really a game changer for SEO. because of the great features like this that it has. But I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you guys. Hopefully that helped you out. And make sure you check out this next video up here. Another amazing way to help you with your SEO and grow your traffic and get all the things you want out of your business.